Dressmaking Lesson 6, Drafting the Pajama Blouse. In this video, you will learn how to make your basic bodice pattern into pajama blouse with collar and how to locate button and buttonholes in your pattern in very easy steps. Tools and materials needed: L square, hip curve, ruler, pencil, tape measure, and pattern paper. Ito yung pattern from the previous video na ginawa natin. Dinikit ko sa cardboard para mas matigas siya. And for future use. Position the center back on the edge of the pattern with 3 cm allowance on the top edge of the pattern. And now trace the back bodice pattern. Maging maingat sa pag-trace ng pattern, tiyaking hindi nabago ang posisyon ng pattern para matrace natin ang eksakto. Mark the points of the dart and the end point of the dart. Use ruler in tracing the center of the dart. Mahalaga na makuha natin ang tama tong part na to. Now from the waist, measure 18 centimeters, or if you want it longer or shorter, it's up to you. Or you can use tape measure to locate the blouse length. Now square out the blouse length using L square. And from that line, measure 1/4 of hip 2 plus 1 cm. And then connect this point to this point. So straight lang kasi pajama lang naman ito. Now extend the dart center line to the blouse length and then connect the points of the dart. And on the lower end of the dart, measure 3 mm on both sides para hindi ganun katulis yung dart. And then finish this double-ended dart by connecting the points. Ngayon, maglalagay na tayo ng allowance using this seam gauge on the neck, 0.6 or 6 mm. Pwede din namang ruler or tape measure yung gamitin nyo sa paglagay ng allowance. Basta ang mahalaga, accurate yung pagsukat nyo. Sa shoulder, 2 cm yung allowance. Make sure corners are connected. On the armhole, 1.5 is the allowance. Tiyakin nyo lang na accurate ang measurement, especially dito sa curve part na to. Now, allowance on the side seam is 2.5 cm. On the hemline is 4 cm. This part is center fold on the fabric and the symbol is 3 circle. And we will also draw the grain line symbol. Ibig sabihin nito, pa-lengthwise ang lagay nito sa tela. This is now the final pattern for pajama blouse. Now let's have the front pattern. On the other side of the pattern, have 7 cm allowance. Fold it. This will serve as the lapel on the front opening. and draw a construction line with 2 cm allowance on the folded part and 3 cm on the top edge, and then trace the front bodice pattern together with the center line of the dart. From the waist, measure the same measurement you add from the back pattern. For example, 18, so 18 centimeter is the measurement from the waist, and then connect it with hip curve. From the center line of the front pattern, measure 1/4 of hip 2 plus 1 centimeter, and then connect again the points. Yung plus 1, pwede mong gawing plus 2 or 3 kung gusto mo na mas maluwag yung pajama blouse. Extend also the dart, same procedure you did from the back pattern. Now let's have the same allowance, neck, shoulder, armhole, side seam, and hemline. Draw also the grain line. Ngayon, sa paglalagay ng button and buttonhole, kadalasan merong isa sa tapat ng bust point. Ito yung pangalawang butones, saka natin i-locate yung pinakauna. Dahil may collar tong gagawin natin, kaya tong part na to, mafo-fold. Ang distansya ng una tsaka pangalawang butones, pwedeng 7 to 9. Depende sa haba ng blouse mo. Sa akin, 8 cm or 3 1/4 inch. So this is the second and the first button, and it will look like this. Ngayon, tuloy natin yung paglalagay ng tatlo pang butones na may distance na 8 cm. Kadalasan, 5 butones yung nilalagay sa blouse. Pero kung gusto mong dagdagan, laging add number katulad ng 5, 7, or 9. Kailangan mo ring sukatin ang size ng butones na gagamitin mo at magdagdag ng 2 to 3 mm or 1/8 inch, at yun yung magiging haba ng buttonhole. Gaya nito, 1.5 cm. Kung ang gagawin mong buttonhole ay pahaba, ito yung magiging gitna. Ngayon, locate mo yung iyong size ng buttonhole. Sa size ng buttonhole ko ay 1.5 cm. Kaya mula dito hanggang dito yung buttonhole. But if you will work on the horizontal buttonhole, measure 3 mm from the center front, and that would be the starting point of your buttonhole. And now locate its size, which is 1.5 cm, and draw the symbol for buttonhole. So it's up to you if you will work on the horizontal or vertical buttonhole, but for me, I will continue in making the vertical buttonhole. Draw also the symbol for buttons, which is X. Don't forget to extend the dart on the allowance on both front and back. Now let's make the collar. Measure 2 cm from the center of front and measure the front neckline up to that point. So this measures 9.2 cm. And from that measurement, continue measuring the back neckline, and the total measurement is 18.5 times 2 is 38. Kaya gumawa ng rectangle na ang haba ay 38 by 6 cm, and markahan din yung gitna. Ang shape ng collar ay pwedeng itong rectangle na ito na. Pero kung gusto mong gawing medyo pointed, add ka ng 2 cm and connect lang yung points. Kadalasan, may 1 cm curve sa part na ito ng collar. Pero gagawin ko lang straight ito para mabilis lang ikabit sa neckline. 6 mm is the allowance around the collar, and draw also the grain line. Now let's cut the final pattern. Reminder in cutting, use short stroke or short opening of scissors in cutting the curved lines, and long stroke in cutting the straight lines. See you in laying out these patterns together with sleeve and pajama trousers on my next video.